Hey there. Today we're going to cover the checklist feature. This tool can help your team standardize their review process, streamline the collaboration across your stakeholders, and provide a level of compliance and transparency that enterprise organizations require. It allows you to create detailed, customizable checklists to ensure consistency and avoid missteps across teams. You can then assign tailored checklists by stage, track their progress, and document accountability in real time. We're going to start out by creating a new checklist template. These can be added and edited by account administrators in the account settings under proofing settings. You'll notice I've already got a handful of checklist templates set up, which I can edit at any time. Today though, I'll start off by hitting the Add Checklist button in the top right corner. I'll name this checklist, maybe something like Brand Review Checklist, and include a detailed description about what I'm asking my reviewers to sign off on. I can then start adding each checklist item. It's important to give each item a name, and I can also include a description for each one if I'd like. There are two types of checklist items, the standard checkbox or a pass-fail option. I might use the pass-fail option when I require a more explicit status indication, like did we spell everything correctly, whereas the standard checkmark would work in situations that require the team to acknowledge they've done something. So, depending on the situation, I may choose to use one or the other, or a mix of the two. Now, if I've already built out a checklist in Excel that I want to add to Ziflow, I don't have to add each individual item one by one. Instead, I can copy and paste the columns right into the first item. Ziflow will sort out the items and descriptions for me. I can also sort the checklist into categories or groups by adding different section breaks. Now, what does that look like in action? Once I've received my invite to the proof, I'll launch into it and start providing feedback. On the left-hand side, I have the option to expand the checklist section to start ticking boxes as I review. If I want to understand more details about what a checkbox is, I can expand it to see the description, which details the intent of the checklist item. If I fail an item, I can actually tag it to a comment for better visibility for my designers. As colleagues pass, fail, or check off items, I'll see those pop up as well. Once I've completed the checklist and submitted my feedback and checked all the boxes, I can now submit my decision. In this case, because there are a few issues, I'll go ahead and say changes are required. Now that we've seen them in action, you're probably wondering how we can actually assign them to our proofs. That all starts at the point of proof creation. You'll notice the new checklist option in the stage settings. I can also assign different checklists to different stages. For example, the brand review team will have a different list than the legal and compliance team. I can also include these in the workflow templates I've already built. You'll notice that when I drop in this template, you'll see it's already set to go to the right review stages at the right time, but also has the appropriate checklist template applied too. All I have to do is hit create and Ziflow will send this proof out for approval. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about checklists or would like to know more about how it can help with your review and approval process, feel free to reach out to your dedicated Ziflow account manager or head to ziflow.com to book some time with the team.